Look at this hood right here. It's off an old BMW. You see how it's semi-shiny here and then it hazes up over here? So there's less oxidation here and there's more oxidation here. You don't want to put a wax on here because you're going to trap this contamination that's going to erode it and cause it to peel. What you want to do is use Lukat Fix It, because this is a paint cleaner. It works on base coats and clear coats. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to put some on here like that. Remember, when you use this, it's not wax, so I'm not going to do the traditional circles. Instead, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back and forth just like this. Now you want to hit the same spot because this is going to clean superficially. You're able to clean all the contamination that's on the surface, okay, and it doesn't bite into the clear. So this way, you're cleaning and not cutting. Look at that. Okay, remember the idea here is to clean the paint first, then wax it. So a lot of people, when they see this, they think it's wax, but it's not. It's a cleaner. It's Lukat Fix It. Voila. Now you can do this by hand or machine. It's 10 times easier by machine, but I mean, look at that. Can you see the reflection of my fingers here? Okay. So here's the thing. Oh, it's catching the shadow right there. I don't want to do that. Okay, so anyways, this right here is 100% clean, not wax. Behold, it's squeaky clean. You use this to bring back the color and gloss. Now, this is nice, it's beautiful, it's smooth and glossy. I'm going to use this. It's called Easy Wax. This is a wax designed to seal. So they use the first one to clean. Now this one goes on in circles just like this, and then you let it dry. This is a wax with carnauba and polymer and copolymers. That means it's going to seal it up and protect it. This stuff is awesome. Now, here's the crazy part. Come on, look at that so you can see that again. Can you see the reflection of the bottle? See that? Okay. So this right here is polished, which means the clear coat is it's polished, it's clean, it's smooth and glossy again. Okay. Then I sealed it up with this right here. Now, that looks beautiful, but if you want to wax your paint job, that's what you can wax from this point on. This is designed not like a shine and pop item. This is designed to clean and bring back the color on your paint job by cleaning it. One of the reasons you see so many cars peeling is because they're always being masked over with all kinds of other products. You know, they wax over them, they mask over them, they glaze over them. Clean it first, seal it. This is going to stay like that for years. I'm talking years, 4, 5, 6, 7 years, because you cleaned it. Okay, guys. Oh, please like and subscribe. I always forget to ask for that. You can find this at our website, lukatdetail.com. You can order there 24/7.